What if the most powerful medicine on the planet is hiding in your kitchen pantry? We're talking immunity, heart health, and cancer-fighting compounds. Plus antimicrobial power most people totally overlook. Ready to see how deep this goes? It's true, we're talking about garlic. Humble little bulb, making pasta sauce incredible. Packed with jaw-dropping health benefits. It's not just folklore. The evidence is piling up. Supercharging your immune system. Protecting your heart. Helping your body fight cancer cells. It does more than add flavor. The big secret? Allicin. Released when it's crushed or chopped. Responsible for the smell and many benefits. Cheap, accessible, effective. So, what can it really do for you? What if I told you that one of the most powerful medicines on the planet isn't found in a pharmacy, but in your kitchen pantry? It's true. We're talking about garlic. Humble little bulb, warding off vampires. Humble little bulb, making pasta sauce incredible. Packed with jaw-dropping health benefits that have scientists and doctors genuinely impressed. It's not just folklore. The evidence is piling up. Supercharging your immune system. Protecting your heart. Helping your body fight off cancer cells. Garlic does more than just add flavor. A natural powerhouse used for thousands of years. Modern science is finally catching up. Not a trendy superfood. One of the most studied plants in history. The ancient Egyptians fed it to workers building the pyramids to keep them strong and healthy. Hippocrates prescribed it for a range of conditions. So, what's the big secret? It all comes down to a powerful compound called allicin. Released when garlic is crushed. Released when garlic is chopped. This is where the magic really begins to happen. Responsible for many of its most potent medicinal properties. The science is clear. Adding this simple ingredient could be one of the easiest health upgrades you ever make. Cheap, accessible, effective. We're going to break it all down, piece by piece. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits. Boosting your immune system. Nobody likes getting sick, and we're all looking for ways to avoid that seasonal cold or flu. Well, garlic is one of your best natural allies in this fight. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can make your immune system more robust and responsive. It works by stimulating your white blood cells, your frontline soldiers. Think of it as sending your internal army to training camp. Stronger, faster, more effective. Better at identifying and neutralizing invaders like viruses and bacteria before they sideline you. A 12-week study found that a daily garlic supplement reduced colds by 63% versus placebo. Not only fewer colds, symptoms were milder and recovery was faster. Average symptoms dropped from 5 days to just 1.5 in the garlic group. It's a simple way to give your body a defensive advantage. Thanks to sulfur compounds, especially allicin, priming immune responses. Include more garlic in daily meals, especially during cold and flu season. Soups, stir-fries, sauces. Consistency matters. A steady stream of compounds keeps your defenses on high alert. Simple, delicious, evidence-backed, so you spend less time under the weather. Now, let's talk about your heart. Now let's talk about the heart. Heart disease is the #1 killer worldwide. Anything we can do to protect our cardiovascular system is crucial. This is another area where garlic shines. One of its most significant benefits, helping lower blood pressure, especially if it's high. High blood pressure fuels heart attacks and strokes. It forces the heart to work harder and damages arteries. Multiple human studies show garlic supplements can significantly reduce blood pressure, sometimes comparable to standard meds. Compounds in garlic help relax and widen blood vessels, easing blood flow and reducing arterial pressure. Garlic also helps cholesterol levels, lowering total and LDL cholesterol. LDL is the bad one. It drives plaque and atherosclerosis. Studies suggest about a 10 to 15% LDL reduction in people with high cholesterol. It may also help keep platelets from getting too sticky, reducing clot risk. Together, a multifaceted approach to protecting your heart. A simple food delivering complex, life-sustaining benefits. If you have hypertension or high cholesterol, talk with your doctor about adding garlic as part of a comprehensive plan. B. Next, the cancer-fighting power of allicin. This next benefit gets a lot of attention from the scientific community, and for good reason. Some studies suggest garlic may help prevent certain cancers, especially in the digestive system. Important, garlic is not a cure for cancer. Observational data links higher garlic intake to lower risks of stomach, colon, and esophageal cancers. The National Cancer Institute lists garlic as having potential anti-cancer properties, the magic sulfur compounds, with allicin leading the charge. Chop or crush, a reaction creates these powerful substances. They act as antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals that damage DNA. They may support DNA repair and help eliminate abnormal cells. In labs, garlic compounds can slow, even stop, cancer cell growth, and may trigger apoptosis. Protective effects are strongest with raw or lightly cooked garlic. Overcooking diminishes benefits. No single food prevents cancer. Include garlic in a diverse plant-rich diet. Build daily habits that create the healthiest internal environment. Long before antibiotics, people used garlic for infections, and the science backs it. In World Wars I and II, it was used as an antiseptic on the battlefield when medicines were scarce. Effective against a wide range of microbes, bacteria, some viruses, fungi, even parasites. Allicin shows antibacterial effects even against resistant strains like MRSA, activity against fungi like Candida albicans, and action against certain viruses. Your gut hosts trillions of good and bad bacteria. Balance is everything. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial microbes like bifidobacteria. It can help keep harmful bacteria in check, without wiping out the good guys. That's a huge advantage over broad-spectrum antibiotics that hit everything. Result: smoother digestion, stronger gut lining, and a bolstered immune system. Nourish the good, suppress the bad. Build a resilient microbiome for long-term digestive health. Next, cooling inflammation and fighting cellular damage. Inflammation heals. But chronic low-grade inflammation drives disease. Heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, even cancer. Garlic's sulfur compounds can inhibit inflammatory enzymes and proteins, turning down the dial. Dial it down. Oxidative stress from free radicals, metabolism, pollution, sunlight, junk foods, damages cells, proteins, DNA. Antioxidants neutralize them, protecting your cells. Garlic is loaded with antioxidants to shield your body from daily damage. That 1-2 punch is what makes garlic so protective. Studies suggest garlic compounds can reduce pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Slowing cellular damage supports healthier aging. Protect cells from inflammation and oxidative stress. Function better, longer. Include antioxidant-rich foods like garlic to promote longevity and vitality. Every clove is a small deposit in your long-term health bank. You're convinced? Now do it right. Prep matters. A lot. Allicin isn't in an intact clove. It forms when allicin meets the enzyme alliinase. Break the cell walls. Chop, crush, mince, or press to spark the reaction. Then let it rest 10-15 minutes before heating to maximize allicin. If you heat it immediately, you deactivate the enzyme and lose benefits. Prep garlic first, set aside, then add near the end of cooking. Most studies use about 1 to 4 cloves per day. Start with 1 or 2 in daily meals. For BP or cholesterol goals, consider the higher end. But talk to your doctor first. Don't like the taste? Consider supplements. Aged garlic extract, standardized allicin, or enteric-coated formulas. Enteric coating helps compounds survive stomach acid for better absorption. Aged garlic extract is odorless and used in many cardiovascular studies. Supplements are tools. They don't replace a healthy diet. Is garlic right for you? Let's cover safety. Garlic is far more than a flavor enhancer. It's a medicinal powerhouse backed by surprising science. It fortifies immunity, protects your heart by lowering blood pressure and LDL, and its compounds may help defend against certain cancers. It fights germs and helps balance your gut microbiome. It cools chronic inflammation. Potential side effects are usually mild: bad breath, body odor, digestive upset, heartburn, or gas. It's a natural blood thinner. If you take warfarin or have surgery scheduled, talk to your doctor. Don't increase intake or start supplements without medical guidance if you're on anticoagulants. The best part, it's accessible, affordable, and easy to use. No prescription required. One simple thing today. Add 1 extra clove to dinner tonight. Start small. Be consistent. Notice how you feel. The science is there. The history is there. The benefits are waiting. Do more research. Talk to your doctor. Share this with someone you care about. You might be shocked what a little garlic can do. Stay curious and stay healthy.